Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful journal cover using almost any image in Canva. It's quick, it's fun, and the results are amazing. All right, let's jump right in. I created this image using Kittle AI, but the layout isn't exactly how I want it for my journal cover. No worries, we're going to fix that. First, head over to Edit, then select Magic Layers. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now look at this. Every layer is completely editable. That means you can click on any element and move it wherever you'd like. You can change the colors, edit the font, replace the text, or completely customize the design to match your style. And don't worry if you accidentally change something you liked. Simply click the Undo button, and Canva will take you right back to your previous version. Easy! Now that we've got our layers separated, let's head over to Position. Here you'll see every element has been separated into its own layer, making it super easy to organize your design. The next thing I want to do is expand the background. Sure, you could simply stretch the background, but that usually distorts the image and removes a lot of the original design. Instead, select your background. Choose Edit, then select Magic Expand. Now choose the size you'd like your design to be. Here's something I've learned. Sometimes Magic Expand creates amazing results, and sometimes, well, it gets a little creative. I'm not really feeling these first results, so let's generate another version. There we go. This one looks much better. I'll use this one for today's project. Before I make any major changes, I always duplicate the page. It's a simple tip, but it can save you a lot of time. If something doesn't turn out the way you planned, you'll always have a backup ready to go. Now comes the fun part. Moving everything around, adjusting the layout, and seeing where the creativity takes you. Honestly, I don't always know exactly where everything is going to end up. Sometimes, I just go with the flow. As I move things around, I'll decide if I want to add more elements, leave a little extra space, or keep the design nice and clean. By the way, show love to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. And remember, if there's an element you don't like, just delete it. This journal is yours, so design it however you want. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this little object is. I think it's supposed to be a rocket, so I'm just going to hide it behind this cloud. Problem solved. Okay, funny story. I paused my recording while I was designing and completely forgot to unpause it. Can you believe that? I guess I need another cup of coffee. Now that everything is finished, let's download the design. Once it's downloaded, bring it right back into Canva. Now let's do a quick mock-up so you can see exactly what your finished journal cover will look like. And there it is, a completely customized journal cover, created from a single image, using Canva's amazing editing tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and maybe even learned a new trick or two. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss another creative tutorial. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and most importantly, have fun doing it. Until next time, take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!